Authority local forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully you and yours have had a wonderful Veterans Day. And again, we're thankful for all the men and women that have made the sacrifices for the freedoms that we have today and that we hope to have tomorrow as well. Here's what we're looking at with your RV World Human Sky Cam as we take a look at what we're seeing in 4th Avenue and 16th Street. Traffic down to pretty much a trickle at this point, and as we see beyond this particular view as far as what we're seeing with the West Coast satellite radar, we certainly have the cloud coverage continuing to kind of roll through to central to northern California, even into portions of Nevada, northern Arizona as well, but not so much here. But what we got here is a situation of the cooler kind, which is something that I'm sure many of us are going, yes! As you can see, we're pretty much down to the high-end 40s, mid-50s at this particular time over in the Imperial Valley. On the humid side of things, we're pretty much hanging on in the 50s right now, so below average. Again, through and through, as far as the temperatures are concerned, we should keep that going for some days. Now, Tropical Storm Eta continues to barrel to the Florida Peninsula, and this thing is not going to slow down. It's not going to weaken too much until it goes further toward the Carolinas. So it's going to go to colder water before it actually does that, but it is right now causing some flooding problems at this particular time. Heavy rain associated with this thing, and it's stretching through much of the Sunshine State. Not so sunshiny right now or for the next couple of days for that matter. Your FUTURECAST, well, we got that swath of cold air continuing to influence us, and that's going to slowly but surely transition over toward the east a little bit. And so we're going to have that residual cool behind it. And then your MetroCast, we got 51 degrees by 8 a.m. We should check in with some pretty decent afternoon or mid-afternoon conditions in the mid-70s, which is a far cry for what it was just a couple of weeks ago. That's how amazing it is. And then by 7 p.m. we'll be back in the 50s. So for your Yuma International Airport extended forecast, you can see we're going to continue with a 70s vibe for the next few days. That'll pretty much transpire through the first half of the weekend, and then we get into a quick little pit stop in the 80s. Actually, it's a little bit more than a quick pit stop, as you can see. Yeah, we're going to keep it extended through the rest of your forecast. So keep in mind, 80 degrees is the average, and we're going to hit that on Sunday, and then we're going to go a few degrees above average beyond the fact.